Hi guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. We're here, look, where we are. Benalmadena. We're at the marina. And we're gonna head. Let's go up the stairs. Let's quickly run up the stairs because I don't want to walk up that way. Let's go up the stairs. And yeah, we're gonna quickly head down the old. Oh, 1 second. We're gonna start this again. 1 sec. Right. So, I just had to turn my mic on. It probably sounds a bit better without the mic. So that's where we just came from. You see. I think the Samsung has really good microphone technology. So pretty much might quit using the DJI mics because if I can use internal stuff, it saves me a bit of money. You know what I mean? I can sell the mics. No need for them. Sabrina uses it though, so. So if you know where we are, this is the marina. This is that blue hotel over there. I don't know what it's called. It's always got its little blue balconies, which is very cool. We're gonna head down this way. Luckily it stopped raining because it was pissing it down earlier. So we met some people here before and they run in one of these shops. I think they've moved on. I say shops, I mean one of these little sheds. So yeah, we're gonna head down the promenade. There's a chopper out at sea somewhere. Can't see it. Oh, was up there? So yeah, I need to get off this. That floor there, that bit there, when it rains, very slippery. But yeah, let's see Wagwan down the promenade of Benalmadena. It's quite dark down this part. I could adjust the picture at the moment, make it a bit lighter for you guys, but we're about to come into the light part, so there's no point in fiddling around when it's good already, really. See, yeah, it's nice now. So, hope you guys are enjoying this new equipment we got. We've got a new camera, we've got a new gimbal. Sabrina's still using the same equipment, which is nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, once you get a mobile phone that's exactly the same, if not actually better, then you might as well use your mobile phone. So, this is the old Dublin. Doesn't have that Dublin feel, does it? More of a tropical Dublin. I guess there's different Dublins in the world, isn't there? Not just Ireland. So, everything along here looks closed. What I might do, stop it here and restart it in a minute because there's nothing open here. And yeah, way of life, hotel, Triton. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop it just here and restart it in a minute. There's actually something to show you, because check where we just come from. We just came from up there, and the beach is still going crazy. So yeah, cut back to me in a second when there's actually stuff that's open. Alright guys, so we're here, we're in Benalmadena, and we are in what's the name of this place? What's the name?
Mariana.
La
Mar de Fria.
La Mar de Fria.
La Mar de Fria.
La Mar de Fria. So we're in La Mar de Fria. They have got these cost €2 for this bigger size, but we're gonna try the sardines. The guy's over there is cooking my sardines. You can see him over there. He's cooking my sardines, and we're gonna try. I don't like fish, but look. It says €2. You can see up there. It's €2 for sardines. So we're gonna try the sardines. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what I feel, how I like it, if I like it, and we go from there. So yeah, looking like our food's about to come over, hopefully. So hopefully, I've never ever tried it before, so a little bit nervous. We'll see if it brings up, because it looks like it's coming to everyone else. We'll see. Thank you. Right, check this out. Look at that. So you're getting 5 pieces. Where's the lemon? Yeah. What do? Do you just eat the whole thing? Do you just break a bit off? I have no idea. Do you eat the head? Do you eat it all? Let me call them over. Let's find out, because I never eaten sardines before. I just watch some people eat there. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick it up. We're just going to eat from the side. So let's try it. First ever time trying this. Let's try it. Right.
No, see, don't eat the belly.
What?
The belly?
What do you mean don't eat it?
No, the belly.
What do you mean don't eat it?
This side here,
Why?
because it's.
What the?
So you take the hat and the tail.
Yeah, go on. Show me. You do one, I do one.
I'm fine, mate.
You're fine.
You know, you don't see today. We just opened next door. We opened next door.
Yeah.
The steaks.
Yeah.
And we had to try all kind of steak there.
You could call me, ring me up, tell me come try the steaks. I would have done the same.
Take that.
Go on, right.
Watch.
Just this.
Just the
Not this.
No, just the meat.
Yeah, it was meat. I had all the meat. But you're telling me don't eat this bit. Go on,
This side here.
Yeah? Don't
No,
eat this.
yeah.
Okay.
That's
That is disgusting.
Yeah.
Okay.
lovely.
Okay. So
Chopped
guys,
banana.
here we go. Yeah, it's better. So, my opinion, if you like fish, and you know, people eat sardines at home. We've done canned sardines. I give my dog sardines all the time. I feed them like 3 times a week on sardines. So, wait, one more time. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon, and now we're gonna try again. Like you said, we're gonna knock that bottom bit out, that horrible bit. We're gonna try again. mean, I ate it, I swallowed it. I didn't feel sick or anything, you know what I mean? Like, maybe people act like pussies, isn't it? Like, over certain things. I didn't think it was that bad. Out of 10, say 10 would be, say, jerk pork, curry mutton, curry goat. That'd be a 10 for me. 10 out of 10 every time. Them dishes are made right, they're 10 out of 10s. This is going to be pushing the 4 to 3. And look, I just don't like fishy, you know what I mean? If I liked fish like that, then that would be higher up, I guess, because you're getting that fish. It definitely is a fish flavour, you know what I mean? But for me, it's not for me. Like I've eaten 3 pieces. That's a good try. I did try it. Like I said, good 4. 4, 3, 4, 3. I can't make my mind up, so 3.5. I'd say 3.5 out of 10. But if you never tried it, I'd say try it. The lemon did work better. The lemon was nicer with it. Very nice and salty. A bit lot of salt on the outside. Very nice. It's just that fishy for me. A bit fishy for me. But thanks guys for watching. Yeah, this is Wagwan Tours Food Reviews. Back at you next time.